Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about lettuce, and I have some suggested food or flavor combinations that are known to work well with lettuce. So if you're looking for some ideas for something a little bit different, hopefully this will help you out. You can combine lettuce with almonds, avocados, carrots, smoked tofu, and tomatoes. Try that. How about lettuce with almonds, jicama, and orange? That sounds good to me. How about lettuce with apples, celery, lime, raisins, and walnuts? Or lettuce with avocado, grapefruit, pecans, and radicchio? Lettuce with carrots, cucumbers, dill, and feta cheese? Or lettuce with chickpeas, cucumbers, feta cheese, olives, red onions, and tomatoes? How about lettuce with dill, garlic, lemon, and scallions? Or lettuce with Dijon mustard, lemon, olive oil, and scallions? Lettuce with fennel and grapefruit, that's different. Lettuce with figs, goat cheese, and tarragon. Lettuce with gorgonzola cheese, hazelnuts, lemon, and olives. Or try lettuce with pears, sherry vinegar, and walnuts. Some different things in there. I hope it gives you some ideas. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.